Hello, this is Crypto CJ and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, we're in a unique set of circumstances. Bitcoin has dropped over 25% in the last, say, day and a half or so. And I did manage yesterday to have a ladder buy that was successful. I've had to ladder buy a lot today. So let's go look at the Bitcoin chart first. Okay, so here's the Bitcoin chart. This is a 15-minute chart, and I've gone ahead and flagged this area here. So from 2 a.m. yesterday morning, I'm recording this video on Monday the 11th at about 4 p.m. So yesterday the 10th at 2 a.m. till this morning at about 9:30, Bitcoin dropped 25%. So I was in, I think, 6 positions during all or most of this drop. And some of them I initiated during the drop thinking it was over. That's where ladder buying is so helpful and so important to have that tool in your arsenal for when you evaluate a trade. It looks like Bitcoin's recovering and the coin you want to trade is recovering, and then Bitcoin dumps again and crashes your trade. And when that happens to a coin, when my coin drops because of what Bitcoin is doing, then I usually feel pretty good that I can ladder buy that and eventually have a successful trade. So that's what I was doing yesterday with the Aave coin. So here's that chart. And I was looking at this in the morning around 9 a.m. I don't do a lot of squeeze trades, but I thought this was a pretty good one. It was trending up. The MACD was crossing down here, slightly above the histogram. On a squeeze trade, you'd rather have it below, but it was kind of in it, just slightly above. So I thought that would be good to go. So I get in the trade at 26.518 at 9:12 a.m. My goal is for a retrace back here in the 29.5, 29.8 area. Well, it never makes it there. The coin goes up slightly and then drops. And this is in some of that range where Bitcoin was dropping. This drop here is about 15%. Yeah, let's chart that out real quick. So actually 18% in about an hour and a half. I know I'm going to have to ladder buy this, so I wait for evidence of a recovery. I've got 3 green candles here. It's trending up nicely, so I get back in at 10:55 a.m. at my lower second purchase of 23.15. It's 9 to 10% less than my first purchase. And I go ahead and set my sell order for just slightly above this purchase here, 26.6. Well, the coin does trend up, goes sideways, and takes a big dip down. I'm actually on the road taking my daughter back to college, so I don't even see any of this. And plus, I'm in an area where my phone's not getting much reception, and I wasn't aware of it by the time we made it to her school and I dropped her off. I had a nice profit. My limit order kicked in, took me out at 26.6, 3:17 p.m. We got a profit of 5.964%, nearly 6% in 9 to 3, about 6-hour trade. Since I'm ladder buying and I usually duplicate the amount of money in the second coin from the first order, I've got twice the amount of money in, so that's sort of like making 12%. But again, I've talked about ladder buying many times as a way to save a trade that goes badly or goes sideways. I've got 5 more of these pending that I set up this afternoon. So this might be the only thing I talk about this week, but anyway, it's a good skill to learn. Well, that's all I have for today's trade of the day. Please stay tuned for some additional messages and check out the additional tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.